everyone. Good morning. How are you doing today? It is, I don't know what day it is because I don't have my phone. Well, I know what day it is. It's Saturday. But I don't know what the date is because I don't have my phone with me. But hello, good morning. I went to Target a couple days ago and I have to show you a couple things that I picked up. They're Lego. And I know, maybe people don't care about that, but I've just gotten so into Lego. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm 30 and I'm like really into Lego at 30. I was not into Lego as a kid. Like, I never played with Lego ever. Like, I played with Lincoln Logs, if you remember what that is. I played with Lincoln Logs up until I was maybe like 5. And then I stopped with any kind of like construction or like building thing. I didn't play Minecraft. I didn't play Legos. I didn't play anything like that. And now at 30, I'm like, Lego. But it's so fun. And I put in my AirPods and I listen to my audiobook and I get through so many audiobooks doing this. So it's great. It helps me read and I get to do something fun. So I got 2. One of them I'm excited about both. I'll just show you. So the first thing I got is this one. I'm actually doing this one right now. But can you see? It's Buckbeak from Harry Potter. Look how stinking cute. And you can make him bow also. Because you know how in Harry Potter you have to bow to Buckbeak? It's like polite, respectful. And then you can also make him lay down as well. Here is how he is laid down. And then you also get to make this little tiny pumpkin patch. Because if you remember, in The Prisoner of Azkaban, Buckbeak is laying in Hagrid's little pumpkin patch. So you get to make that too, and it's so cute. And then the one that I'm really excited about, but I wish I was more into Star Wars, okay? Like, I grew up with Lord of the Rings, and I don't know if they have that many Lord of the Rings Lego sets. I don't think they do. I know they have the Eye of Sauron, and I 100% will get that at some point, but it's like $450. So I don't know how I'm going to get that or when I'm going to get that, but I will at some point get the Eye of Sauron because it looks incredible. I wish they had more Lord of the Rings ones because I would make the Lord of the Rings ones all day long because I love Lord of the Rings. But that's what I grew up with. I didn't really grow up with Star Wars very much. I know of it and I like the idea of it. I've seen a couple of Star Wars movies and I've seen a couple of the new ones like with Daisy Ridley, but I haven't really seen very many of them. So I would like to rewatch them. I would like to get into it, but this one is from The Mandalorian and it's the Baby Yoda one. I saw this and I was like, listen, I know Yoda. Like, I love Yoda. Yoda's great, but Baby Yoda? You gotta be kidding me. This is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. It has a little pod, so you can sit Yoda in his little pod. Or I think you can make them separately and you can have Yoda just like standing as a figure and then have the little pod as a figure. But I don't know. I'm really excited about this one. This one I feel like is going to take a little bit longer to do. The Buckbeak one, I feel like I'm probably already halfway completed with that one. But this one I feel like it's going to take me a while, which I like the ones that take me a long time because it gives me more audiobooks to listen to. Also, I picked up my first Peeps of the year. I feel like it's not Easter until we have Peeps, but yeah, I got the pink ones because they're super cute. And then that's pretty much it that I got from Target. I'm just so excited about a Baby Yoda. Let me know in the comments if you are a Star Wars fan. Let me know what I should start with. I know that everyone says that the old movies are the best ones. I need to go wake Raph up because we actually have a few friends coming today to play board games, which I'm really excited about. I haven't done that in a really long time. I think we're going to play Dune. It's been so long since I've actually had friends over to do board games. So they're going to come around 2 today. I'm going to make breakfast and get Raph up, and I will come back to you and talk to you when something else fun happens. Hello everyone. I keep forgetting that I have these Coke Zero Oreo limited edition. I keep forgetting I have them because they're always like, they're so small. They're just in my fridge and I'm just like, what are these? Anyways, just had one of those. They're very good. You saw me have my dinner. I ate dinner very early today because I ate breakfast really early. I just woke up starving. So I ate breakfast at like 9 and I normally don't eat breakfast until like 10:30, something like that. But I just made dinner. I had to make steak. It's been a while since I made steak at home and I literally needed to make it or I was going to pass away. So I just finished that and I thought that I would pop on here because I got two fun little blind boxes from Mart. These are their Crybaby editions, or the Crybaby ones, and they are the Valentines ones. So I'm really excited. Here's what you could get. I really do not want that one. Like, I do not want that. Literally, like the devil one, like the devil and angel, so cute. Love that. Pretty much any of these I'll take. I don't want this one. I don't want that one. And I don't want the heart. And I'm terrified because like I have really bad luck with blind boxes and I usually get the ones that I don't want. Okay, this one does not feel like the broken heart. So I'm really happy about that. I would really love to get the angel or maybe even the kitty cat, like the little cat one. That one's really cute, but wait. This was another one that I really like. I love the puppy. Oh my goodness. Does he have like a little accessory or anything? Just like that? Obsessed with this one. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I honestly don't care what I get now. I wish it had like a little stand because he's flocked. So he can't really stand up very well. Oh, he does. Okay, there's his little stand. And then he's supposed to have a little heart. Does the heart go, like, does he hold it? Or I guess it just kind of goes off to the side. Look at his little heart. Oh my God, that's the cutest thing. I honestly don't even care what this one is. I mean, I really still do not want the heart one. I don't know, this feels like one of the ones that I don't want. I don't know. I'm obsessed right now. These are like two of the best blind boxes that I've ever opened. I cannot believe I got this one. So this is like a half. So there's one that is the angel, which is this one. And then there's also one that's like a devil. I'm so happy about the angel one. Oh, it has a little halo. Honestly, this is probably one of the best blind boxes that I've done. Look at his little halo. Look at that. That's so cute. Is it on the right way? Here's the little stand. And then he also has, or she, I don't know. They also have a little heart. It's a different color heart too. So this one is like a tiny bit darker. I don't think I could have asked for a better one. Like, of course they have like the secrets and stuff, but like, I don't care. Hope you enjoyed that little blind box thing, and I'm gonna go and I will check back in when something else fun happens.
Good morning, everyone. It is very rainy today, but the thing is it's been raining for like a week straight, like an actual week straight. I think that maybe there was one day yesterday out of the week that it didn't rain, and now it's going to rain for the rest of the week. It's crazy. I would like for it to stop raining, please. That'd be great. But hi, hello, how are you doing today? I wanted to show you something very exciting. I have not spoken about this on the vlog. I don't know why. It just kind of not slipped my mind because I did the unboxing as a main video, but I just never really turned on the vlogging camera to talk about it on the vlog. I have a very exciting handbag that I want to share with you guys. It is from Chanel and I'm so excited about it. I have no idea when this is going to go live, if the vlog is going to go live or if the regular unboxing that I do, like the main unboxing, is going to go live first. I don't know, but I have been using this for the past couple of days. I actually got it 2 days ago now. Today is for Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday and I got it on Thursday. So yeah, 2 days ago. It's Chanel, you guys. It's a different type of Chanel bag. I don't have a bag like this, so it's not a classic flap. Oh my goodness. So yes, it is the Chanel 19. This is from the 21K collection. I want to take you over here to the table. I always like sitting over here more. Okay, that's better, I feel like. But yes, I got this bag from Redilux, of course. Redilux is like my weakness because I always find bags on there that are like holy grail bags and bags that I really, really want to add to my collection. So I saw that they had in pristine condition a small Chanel 19, again from the 21K collection, and it's in the beautiful caramel brown color. And I know probably some of you are thinking, why are you getting so many brown bags? You don't need another brown bag. You have a lot of brown bags. I know. I just really love this color. And I wear a lot of neutrals anyways. I wear a lot of color too. I've been wearing a bit more color this year than I did last year. So I am wearing color as well, but you can wear neutral stuff, like neutral bags with color clothing. So it all still matches. But for the Chanel 19, I knew that I wanted to get either black or some kind of brown color. Let me just give you an overview. And this one is definitely more of like an impulse purchase. I was not planning on buying this bag. Genuinely was not planning on it because, as you guys know, I just recently, like a couple of weeks ago, got my Miu Miu bag. Like last week, got my Miu Miu bag, which I love to absolute pieces. But then I also got the Chanel sneakers that you guys saw. So both of those pieces I was able to buy because of the tax return money that we got. But then this one I saw and I know that it's really difficult to find like the really nice caramel color, like the latte color, because I know they have other browns like the 22S, I believe there's like 23B, something like that are like other caramel type colors, but I just really love this caramel color. And believe it or not, I did not know this, but so the 21P collection, if you remember, had like the iconic my bag that I have, the classic flap, the 21P classic flap, the caramel color. It was so popular, like it was so sought after, it was so popular that Chanel basically re-released it in 21K. So the 21P caramel and the 21K caramel are the same color code, exactly the same color code. So they're the same color, but I do think that they probably look a little different. I think that the Chanel 19 looks a tiny bit lighter brown than the classic flap because I think it depends like on the leather, it depends on the material. They're both lambskin. It's so insanely soft. Like I knew it was going to be soft, but this is like actual butter soft. It's so luxurious. It's amazing. And again, it's in the small size because that's the size that I wanted. I didn't want the medium large or anything like that. The small size is my perfect size. And also the small size is huge. And then this one being 21K, I believe this one was one or two collections, probably one collection after 21P. And this one has a microchip. So where my latte color classic flap still has an authenticity card, this one has the microchip. And it's so nice. And I know some of you are probably thinking, why would you get the same color bag? Like why not get a different color brown? Or why wouldn't you get a different bag in a different color? I just, number one, I love this color, but number two, it's also a completely different style. It would be, I would understand if I got two brown classic flaps, but this is a completely different style. So here is the crossbody strap. It does have the beautiful multi-colored hardware. So it has like mixed metals. It has the brushed gold, it has the shiny silver, it has the ruthenium, which is like a gunmetal type color. I can already tell like the hardware on this bag is really substantial because, you know, the hardware on the classic flap is like quite thin. I love the classic flap. It's like my favorite bag of all time, but it is quite thin. It is a bit more dainty. The leather on this is quite thick. Like the leather that they use on the strap is pretty thick, and just all of the metal on here is really nice quality, and it is really thick as well. So I can tell that this bag is probably going to end up being more hard wearing than the classic flap. Anyways, I did order a bag insert. It's supposed to come in today. I really hope it does come in today because I really want to put a bag insert in this bag. But yeah, I hope that you like the Chanel 19. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on the Chanel 19. Do you have one? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you, or is it on your wish list? Are you wanting to get one at some point? But yeah, just let me know your thoughts, and I hope that you like this bag, and I will come back and talk to you when something else fun happens.
Editing Kenzie here. I did not film anything else after that clip, so I did not end the vlog. So this is me ending the vlog. I really hope that you did enjoy it. Let me know what you think of the new Chanel 19. Let me know what you thought of the whole Valentine's little unboxing. And yeah, just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!